Hello, my name is Won Ho from Kongshu National University. It's my honor to make a presentation here. And my presentation title is Gamification with ChatGPT. I developed Roblox game with the help of ChatGPT. Everybody is talking about ChatGPT these days, so I asked the ChatGPT what would be the role of educators. It answered me back with 8 items. Facilitators of learning, emotional support and motivation, critical thinking and creativity, collaboration and communication, ethical and social considerations, lifelong learning advocates. But I'm more interested in item 7 and item 8, curriculum design and adaptation and professional development, which means that with the help of ChatGPT, we can be a curriculum designer and adapter, and also professional developer. Last year I tried to develop Roblox game. Roblox is a metaverse. The advantage of the Roblox is that you can use a Lua script as a game development script. But the Lua script is a little bit different with C and Java, which is I am familiar comparatively. So that's a new language to me. I spent 2 months of development, not of full-time though. But the result was very poor and incomplete and lots of bugs. And you can check the okay, this is the completed version of my Roblox. And I tried to apply that Roblox game for 3rd year class of college students, and my course was electrical machine. And this year I decided to use ChatGPT for Roblox game development, and I would like to share my experience with you all. And first I asked the code optimization to Roblox because I already have the code I developed last year. So I asked the ChatGPT I would like to optimize the Roblox code, and I provided the important part of the Roblox game which I previously developed to the ChatGPT. And the answer was that optimized code and some suggestions. Okay, with the several interactive sessions of question and answer, and I was able to find out that my program was wrong, because every code is embedded in each client, in each part actually, and it is difficult to extend the program for the general use. And server-side scripting was the key to solve the problem, and it gave me more specific codes for that. This is a Roblox Studio, Roblox development environment, as you can see here. And here you can see that on the server script service, I added a script. This is a server-side script, and I refactored all the part client script into this server-side script, and it was successful. And also asked about a scoring system. So I want the students be managed by the score. The score has some variables like a stages, status, and points. So because I'm not familiar with Roblox Lua script code, I just described how the whole scoring system works down here. And the Roblox answered me back with the data structure of the scoring system embedded on the table, which is sometimes called in dictionary in Rust script language. This also, with the several interactive dialogue session, was narrowed down to more specific description of the data structure for scoring system. So you see that the stages include many stages, and each stage also includes many parts which should be dealt with. For each part, the activity is defined, which should be applied to each individual part. The activity type is 3: touch, click, and restore. So as you can see here in the server script, at the first part, front part, you can see that dictionary for scoring system and mission are well defined, and you can imagine that what this mission is supposed to do. The other thing is adding effect. I would like to add some contrasting effect when the user answers correct or incorrect answers. For example, that white smoke coming out the user's body when he got the right answer, and blue smoke coming out, emitting out of the student's body. And it answered me back to use that reverse particle emitter system, and with some kindly enough with some specific code for that. So what I did is I copied the code and pasted it like this on the server-side script, and it works perfectly fine. I briefly mentioned that the ChatGPT, my program has 3 events: event, click, touch, and restore event. They will expand more as the game goes on, but currently it's 3 system. Probably that's the event we fixed with the conversation with ChatGPT, and I will just show how it works. Then for the touch event, the users can touch the object with his body, and whenever he touches the body, the event, the object, when he got it right, the white smoke coming out of his body. The second activity was that click event. The click event is when you click the object, when you got the right answer, you got right this white smoke coming out of his body too. And third one is that restore activity or restore event. This event that restores the part into its original location when it is clicked. So when you got it right, for here, for example, if you click these windings, and it will, if it was a right correct answer, it will place back to its original place. And whenever you finish this whole process successfully, he can move up to next mission, next status, next stage. Okay, just like this, I was able to finish the program successfully, and I was so happy that I can use that program during my class. In my class, the students connected to the Roblox game, and they really did enjoy the game, and it was very fun and exciting experience for all of us. Okay, my conclusion is ChatGPT and other AI tools will leverage educators' capability. And I hope my presentation can be an evidence that other educators fully become a curriculum designer and adapter, or also a professional developer. Thank you very much.